Hello everyone, today we're going to see the second use case that we can do with VORO. So today we're going to focus on how we can connect the data and use the Agent Studio. So first let me close this down and let's go to this section. Here you can see we have different agents that you can use them all or use just certain one. You can create agents if you want. It is here. You can import agents if you have already ready-made agents. You can also import swarm, for example, if you have a collection of agents that you have in a different project, and you can trace how each agent ran and what he found. So if you click here, you can see the system prompt. You can improve it and do whatever you want with it. So to make sure that this works, please make sure that your API key, it's connected, it's well connected. So you go to the settings, API key, we have already grok here, so that's good. So how we can see this work in real life? First, we need to go back to the dashboard. We see we don't have any project connected. We can connect our data through connect data source, or simply if we go to the model lineage, we have this go to integration. So for the section of this video, we're just going to use dbt and exactly the manifest JSON. We have option to connect Power BI and also to connect data catalog. So let's click on dbt. In dbt we have options. For the sake of this video, as I said, I'm going to use the manifest JSON. You're going to find this in the dbt target folder, and it's called manifest JSON. So let's click upload manifest JSON. This is a demo manifest JSON. Open. And let's wait a few seconds. Go back to the dashboard. Let's refresh. Here we go. We have already 14 models in our lineage. If we will ask the AI assistant, he will be able to already understand what we have, and the AI agents are already waiting here just for us to click save and run analysis. Let's go back again and check that everything is good. Perfect. So it's connected. Also, the manifest JSON will be used here in the data catalog. We will see this later on. Perfect. Let's go back now into the Agent Studio. Let's click Save and Run Analysis. Here we see the analysis it's going. Let's wait for it to finish. Here we go. Well, this analysis, it depends on the size of your project and the API key that you have. If you have just a free API key, that may take some time, but if you are using a paid API key, that will be faster, like Anthropic or OpenAI ones. Okay, as you see, it's running. That's normal, as we have almost 13 agents with other Power BI agents are also running in the same time. And for the sake of this video as well, I decided to run them all so we can see what will happen exactly. Perfect. So now we have already a complete analysis with 17 findings. If you click on View Trace, it brings you here directly. And also you will have this page where you can see the findings in a Jira format, where you can see by severity, you see by status, or by type. So going back to the Agent Studio, let's go back and see Run Trace. That's the interesting point. You are not just giving the AI to do whatever he wants, but you are also seeing what each agent found and what he is saying to you. So here you see the dead model is telling you exactly what's going on, unused dimension model, unused fact model. If you go to the grain join issue, you can see as well what's going on here and what each agent has found you. Perfect. So the section of the AI assistant, we already talked about it. The Agent Studio is already done and clear. The finding section where it summarizes all the fixes. The nice thing here is if I click here, I can see exactly what's going on. I can click also propose fix. Let's close this down so we have more space. I can see propose fix, I can add the context, and I can copy what he will propose to me. Here, I can add, for example, a member that I can send him the email. I can add other notes, and so on and so forth. These functionalities are working, and the user that you will send him this ticket will receive it in his email. Perfect. Going back to the best practices. So here, if you want to help the agents and give them more context on what they should look on, you can add some new rules or use the one that we have already here to the context. You can remove them. It depends on you. These agents mostly are connected to the AI assistant, the one that we were talking about here in the previous video, and it can help you understand other issues in your project. Perfect. So this is it for today's video. We discussed about the Agent Studio, how you connect it, how you can see each agent findings, and how to use it properly and import different agents. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one.